Hello guys, my name is Lenin, and on the next training videos we will be learning about Zapier. First of all, what is Zapier? Well, Zapier is an automated tool that will connect thousands of apps so your work will be faster. For example, you can connect Trello cards and create calendar events automatically. That is awesome, right? So, if you want to be more productive on your daily task, Zapier is what you're looking for. And even better, you don't need to be a programmer in order to set up a Zap. Let's start with the Zapier terminology. Let's see here. What is a Zap? Well, a Zap is the workflow between your apps, is the whole process. What is a trigger? A trigger is the event that will start the Zap. And what is an action? Well, the action is the purpose of the Zap. In few words, it will be the event that completes the Zap. Please follow me on the next videos so we can learn more. Have a nice day, guys.